Today I am going to discuss chapter number 12, that is direct and inverse proportion. You can say as direct and indirect proportion also. Okay. Now first we will discuss about the direct proportion. Now see, the basic thing in the direct proportion is that x and y are in direct proportion if x by y is equal to k, that is the constant. Okay. So we can write as x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2 is equal to x3 by y3 is equal to any constant. So this is the basic thing of the direct proportion. Okay, so I am writing in the copy the basic thing of direct proportion. X by y is equal to k, that is k is any constant. Okay, now it is only in case of direct proportion. Direct proportion, or you can say direct variation. In some books it is written as variation. Now what do you mean by the term direct proportion? Now suppose I am giving one example. Nowadays 1 kg potato cost rupees 15. Okay, now what will be the cost of 5 kg potato? So 5 kg potato, it will be 15 into 5 is equal to rupees 75. Now you see that when the mass is increases, that is the weight of the potato. Okay, now the price also increases. Okay, so both the variable increases simultaneously. Okay, when the mass increases, then the price also increases. So this is called the direct proportion. So this is the main concept of direct proportion. So when one variable will increase, then other variable will also increase. Okay, now we will come to exercise. Now there are many sums. I will select some sums and only solve the selected sums. Okay, now see in question number 1, observe the table given below and in each one and find whether x and y are in proportion or not. Now if it is in direct proportion, then x by y will be constant. Okay, now see in question number 1 there are 3 sums. I am solving one number. Okay, now number 1, now see here x by y, number 1, x by y is 3 by 9. Okay, so first is 3 by 9. If you cancel it, then it is coming 1 by 3. Okay, then number 2 is 5 by 15. Again if you cancel it, you will get 1 by 3. Similarly 8 by 24, if you cancel it, you will again get 1 by 3. Okay, next 11 by 33 is equal to 1 by 3, and last is 26 by 78, it is also 1 by 3. Now you see in all the 1 2 3 4 5 cases, all the constant are same. See here, it is 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3. Okay, it is 1 by 3, and it is also 1 by 3. So as the constant is same, so we can say that it is in direct proportion. So you can write like this as x by y is equal to k is equal to 1 by 3. So it is in, I am writing in short dp. Dp means direct proportion. Okay, I am writing in short dp. Okay, so as x by y is equal to k is equal to 1 by 3, so it is in dp means direct proportion. So this is the basic thing. Okay, now we move to question number 2. Now see here a box is given. Now in the box the value of the x and value of the y is given, as well as there are some unknown variables, unknown values of x and y. We have to find this thing. Okay, now see, first is 3 by 72. Okay, 3 by 72, and there is x1 by 120. Okay, so as it is in direct proportion, I have written as x by y. In the question itself it is given that it is in direct proportion, so I am writing directly 3 by 72 is equal to x1 by 120. Now what we will do? Now we will cross it. Okay, so 3 into 120 is equal to 72 into x1. Now 3 into 120 by 72 is equal to x1. Now you cancel it. Okay, so the value of x1 is coming as 5. Okay, so it is coming 5. Now next number 2 is x2 by 192. So you can use this value also, no problem. If you want to use this value, you can get the answer, same answer. So I am solving by that method. Okay, now x1 is coming 5 by 120 is equal to x2 by 192. Okay, you can use 3 by 72 in place of this, or you can use 5 by 120. Okay, same thing, no problem. Now again cross 5 into 192 is equal to 120 into x2. x2 is equal to 5 into 192 by 120. Okay, now cancel it. 24 so it will be 8, I think. So 8. Okay, so it is coming 8. Now number third, 10 by y1. Okay, so we will use the first constant. 3 by 72 is equal to 10 by y1. Okay, again you cross it. So 3 into y1 is equal to 72 into 10. So y1 is equal to 72 into 10 by 3. Now you cancel it. So it is coming 240. Okay, now see the process. Wait, I am checking the answer. Exercise 12a. (5, 8 and 240). So your answer is correct. Okay, so this is the process in which you can solve the sum. Okay, now we'll move to next question. Now see, 3 onwards there are two variables in each and every sum, so you have to first draw the box and make the variables first, choose the variable first. Okay, see, I'm solving question number 3. Now first I make the box here. You can use the scale or you can draw as freehand like me, no problem. Okay, now see, in the question there are two variables, that is the distance and diesel. Okay, so I will write here distance and here diesel. Okay, now so obviously distance will be in kilometer and diesel will be in liter, so I'm writing here 510 and here 34. Diesel is given and this is as you can write as x. Okay, no problem, clear. So in order to solve this type of sums word problem, you make the box and you write the variable. Okay, now distance will be in kilometer and diesel will be in liter. So as it is in, so we will write like this, as it is in, as it is in direct proportion, in short I am writing. Okay, so 510 by 34 is equal to x by 20. Now again same thing, cross multiply, 510 into 20 is equal to 34 into x. Okay, x is equal to 510 into 20 by 34. Now you cancel it. Okay, so it will be cancelled, 2, 10, 17, so it is coming 300. So 300 will be the distance, so you must write the unit. Okay, so kilometer is the unit, you must write the unit. Okay, so this is the process in which you will solve the sum. Okay, now I move to next question, question number 5. Now again we will make the box. You can use the scale, pencil, or can draw freehand. Now again same thing, distance and time. Okay, so here it is distance, this is one variable, and this is time. Now see, in the question the distance is in kilometer and the time is in minute. Okay, so you must pay attention to the units. So I am writing here 16 and here 25. Now distance again will be x and time is given 5 hours. See here 5 hour is given, but here it is in minutes, so I will multiply with 60, that is 300. Okay, now see the reason I multiply with 60, because it is given 5 hour and the first unit is given in minute. Okay, so I convert the hour into minute. So you all know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So again we have to write like this, as it is in dp. Okay, so 16 by 25 is equal to x by 300. Okay, so 25 into x is equal to 300 into 16. So x is equal to 300 into 16 by 25. Now cancel. Here it is 12. Now we have to multiply 16 into 12. 192. So it is coming 192 kilometer. Okay, see the process. Let me check the answer from the back. 12. Now question number 3 is 300 and question number 4 answer is 192 kilometer. Okay, so it is correct. I hope you have understood the process. Now the next sums are also similar. Now we'll move to some other type of sums. Question number 11. Okay, now 6, 7, 8, 9 you can solve yourself. Okay, so while solving the sum you must pay attention to the two variables, how we should write it, and we should pay attention to the unit also. Always try to make the same unit. Okay, now we'll move to question number 11. Okay, now see question number 11. Now in the question, see the variable kilometer per hour. You know that kilometer per hour is the speed. So I am writing here speed, and time is given obviously. So kilometer per hour is given 50. And see here again in the question 1 hour 12 minutes. So there are two units, you have to convert into one unit. So I convert into minute. Okay, so 1 hour means 60 and 12 means 72. So it will be 60 plus 12, 72. Okay, I am writing here 72. We have to find the distance traveled. No, here it will be 1, because in the question it is given 1 hour. See here 50 kilometer per hour, so 50 is the distance, and so this will not be the box. This is wrong, I've written wrong. Okay, now I'm making the box here again. I think that it is a speed. Okay, but after reading the entire question I have seen that it is the distance. So I'm writing here distance, and here it is time. Okay, so 50 kilometer per hour means 50 is the distance and time is 1 hour. So I'm writing here 1, and how much distance, so take as x, and see here 1 hour 12 minutes, so I convert into minute. So if I convert into minute, so it will be 72. So if I convert into minutes, so it will be 60. So we have to write here also 60. See, in the question it is given speed is given. So now see, I am writing three formulas. Distance is equal to speed into time. Time is equal to distance by speed, and number third is speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so the first formula is speed is equal to distance is equal to speed into time. Number 2, time is equal to distance by speed. And number 3, speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. Now see here in the question it is given 50 km per hour. If you see it, then it looks like that it is the speed, but according, if I read the question properly, then it is 50 km is that distance and 1 hour is the time. So now as it is given 1 hour 12 minutes, so I convert into 1 hour means 60, 60 plus 12 72. So again I have to write as it is in dp. So therefore 50 by 60 is equal to x by 72. Now I'm writing directly x is equal to 50 into 72 by 60. Okay, so cancel the 0, thereafter 6 12, so it is coming 60. So this 60 will be your distance, so it is kilometer. Let me check the answer. Wait. Answer is correct, 60 kilometer. Okay, so in this question I have converted the time 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, that's why it is become 60, and this is 1 hour plus 12, so 60 plus 12 72. Okay, so I hope that you have understand this exercise, and these three formula: distance is equal to speed into time, time is equal to distance by speed, and speed is equal to distance by time. So rest of the sums you can solve by yourself. I hope that you will solve the rest of the sums by yourself. Similarly you will follow this entire process. Okay, so first of all you make the box, thereafter you write the variables, and you should pay attention to the units, and after solving the sum you must write the units. See here I have written kilometer, again I have written kilometer, again I have written kilometer. So in this way you can solve the sums. Okay.